Hey everyone, Techne here with a brand new hot off the press, the MSI RX 5700 XT graphics card. Alright, now I'm going to do this a little bit different here because we're going to do a few videos with this graphics card here. Number one, right now what we're going to do is an unboxing of it. Then the second one will be, I'm going to install this graphics card in my current PC, which is a Ryzen 2600, just to see, hey, what does it do with that? And then of course, then we're going to install it and do a new build. What do we got? We got this guy right here, you know. So this is going to be pretty exciting. So make sure you hit that sub button and notification bell because we're going to have some fun with this guy right here. But again, I want to do this different. So I'm really excited for you. Just extremely giddy. It just came in the mail today. And I just wanted to share this experience with you guys, popping it open and just taking a look over on it. So let's get this thing open. Alright, so here we go. Let's get at it, right? Man, I'm extremely excited for this. Now, I know some of you might be asking, man, why did you get this new card? Because I run on a Vega 64 right now. Why I got this, number one, I want to be on top, you know, be right there with the cutting edge technology and kind of, it's exciting seeing what's new, you know what I mean? And I play a lot of 1440p and they just rave so much about this guy just pushing 1440p. I watched a bunch of benchmarks and it's usually shooting around, you know, give or take roughly around 20 extra frames, 1440p compared to the Vega 64. Real quick, let me show you some stats on the back of the box here, just in case if you're curious. There we go. We got some of that there. And then that right there. So, there we go. Just in case if you're curious on that. Nothing really fancy on the box here, just straight up MSI. Let's get this thing open, right? Let's get this thing open. I'm excited. I really am. What have we got in there? Nothing. Little padded deal here. What the heck is this? Oh, this must be our paperwork in a little fancy envelope here. Let's see. You gotta be kidding me. Check this out. This big envelope, and this is all that's in it, right? So nice big envelope and this tiny little, like, you gotta be kidding me. Quick user's guide. Like, come on. You gotta be kidding me. In this cool big envelope, they put that, whatever. Get out of here. A registration deal. And then here's the card. As you can see, it's a nice foam padding right there. So it's not going anywhere. Let's pop this. Ooh, mercy. This thing is heavy. Really heavy. Oh, there we go. There we go. Very heavy though. Heavier than the Vega 64. It really is. Let's get all this out of the way. All right. That plastic? Yeah. Wow. Sorry, I'm over here just enjoying it by myself. Check it out. See that right there? Does anyone know what this, like they have these little indentions? Let me show you. So you see the indention right there? What is that for? Is that like so they don't have to put a director in it, or it kind of pushes, sucks in the air and pushes it all straight through there and kind of, you know, diverts it right through there instead of it, them having to put another piece in there to divert it? I really don't know. I can't see inside it. But if any of you know what that is for right there, please let me know in the comments. So as you can see right here, we have 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. Real weird. I've never seen that before. They go display port, HDMI, then display. So they just put that 1 HDMI in the middle. It's kind of weird. And again, you have the back plate right there. Let me tell you what, like seriously, again, going from the Vega 64 to this guy, I mean, this thing is stinking heavy. Am I going to need to put like a little brace in there or something? And you know, I know a lot of people aren't big fans of this reference style graphics card. Me personally, I really like them. I have my PC built. Again, I've used the Vega one and I have it built for the airflow right like that, where I have a bottom fan over here just sucking in fresh air for it and it goes straight through there. To me, in my opinion, they seem quieter than the other ones. I've used some 580 XFX ones and they're just so stinging loud with both of those fans rolling. Again, sure, I do notice it getting a little bit hot with the Vega 64 at least, but I just noticed it's being a lot quieter. And again, with the way I have my PC built, where I have a 140 going straight just for the card right there, it works out really, really good for me. And again, this guy coming in at $399, I'm really excited to see how it performs. And as you see down the side right here, he has a little red strip, and then the Radeon, it'll light up red. That red strip is just painted, so the only thing that's going to light up is the Radeon right there. As you can over here, you have 8-pin, 6-pin right there. So you took out the 2 pins. I believe the Vega 64 is 8 and 8, if I'm thinking correctly right there. So they, I don't know how they cut that one out. On the back here, let me show you here. It says, you know, where I showed you before, it says power efficiency. But right down here on the bottom with system requirements, if we can get some focus. There you go. It says 600 watt or greater power supply is the minimum requirements, 600. So I don't know, that was the exact same as the, no, actually the Vega 64's Hold on. Okay, here we go. So no, the Vega 64's minimum requirements was a 750 watt power supply. So this guy can use a 600, and the Vega 64 had to use a 750 right there. So hey, I'm kind of curious how that's going to work out as well. So anyways, that's really it right there. Again, I just really wanted to share this experience with you guys, unboxing the MSI 5700 XT. I'm extremely excited and giddy on getting this guy set up. And like I said, we're going to do a few videos before we get to that final one, you know, setting it up with the new Ryzen processor and everything. So it's going to be pretty fun just kind of seeing how it works here and there. And again, I just kind of wanted to bring you guys along with this adventure. I think it's going to be a whole lot of fun. But hey, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this one. I highly appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for some future tech videos. And I hope I catch you in the next one. Bye now.